When starting on a new design, the first step will usually be to sketch a 2D shape. This shape will ultimately be developed into a 3D model. In the toolbar, you will see that the sketch tools are grouped together, and within the sketch tools section, the ones to the left are creation tools, and the ones to the right are for modifying. Let's start by sketching a rectangle. Notice that when sketching, you will be offered relevant tool guides in the design window, as well as options in the panel to the left. For example, you can select to create a rectangle from its center, instead of pulling it from one corner to another.